DJ Payne.
You are now listening.
They say I'm high too much. The reason you succeeded cause you tried too much. I've been ballin', ain't been going to the Y too much. She say you the true soul, but you lied too much. That girl stayin' in your eye too much. Said I had too much cause you cried too much. Stay high to the point that I'm flat too much. Do a lot of shows, she say I flat too much. Chunk the deuces by, you don't hear high too much. Streets flooded with the corn, ain't dry too much. The streets talking, taking sides too much. Just because you see me with Monk and I shot too much. Youngsters hit me on my page, I ain't replied too much. I'm alive, blessed cause my friends died too much. I receive like the AFC kicking. The work high like KFC chicken. You already know what it is, man. Monk, my nigga Shy Boy, we back at it. The prototype nigga. You already know what it is,
Busy the King, Main Gang. We got it. 269. They said Beezy don't do it. Beezy don't do it. Bet your money on the spades, bet your Beezy won't do it. You seen Beezy go through it. Paved the way for my city, they ain't gotta go through it. Blood, sweat, and tears, the sacrifice. I bet they still listen to me in my afterlife. Till the wheels fall off, we gon' ride this bitch. 3 seater, me, Monkey, and Zach. 94 West off that 100 a pack. Fucking with that big drink, so we caused a lot of trouble. Mac put me on the interstate. He put some paper on the dinner plate. I got the harp in my veins. Michigan running through it, so it go to my heart. I never let them stop me, I don't owe them shit. I'm a Midwest nigga, I owe them this. Go hard in the yard, put some paint where it ain't. True story, this is more than a fucking mixtape. We 10 toes down, standing up for my city. We gotta get us out the hood, yeah, I fuck with my city, I won't do it.
Y'all already know what the fuck time it is. Young Monk, the Great Lake ambassador. Y'all already know, man. 2010, y'all might as well shake that motherfucking bag, man. Like Soda say, shake that motherfucking bag, man. Been hard, but my city and I say it loud. Ain't that something? We bout to make the city proud. Shy say he the king, he wear the city crown. Soul of the captain, the anchor, he hold the city down. We bout to show the world how our city sound. The ambassador bound to hold the committee